3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. And liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket and the Dragon spacecraft. On the heels of the 50th anniversary of Apollo 11's return from the moon, we send more science and supplies up to the International Space Station.
Post-launch flight operations.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Looking beautiful so far. Great shot from the rocket.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Now we're approaching max Q, the maximum pressure on the rocket.
Vehicle is supersonic.
I'm going to quickly throttle back.
Vehicle is experiencing maximum aerodynamic pressure.
MVAC engine chill.
So they begin chilling the engine on the second stage to get it ready to go. Beautiful shot there, looking up the tail end of the rocket. And there's the Cape getting smaller and smaller. All right, we're approaching main engine cutoff. You'll see separation just a little bit right after the engine's cut off. And down they go.
Nico.
There it is.
Stage separation confirmed.
And there goes the booster, which is coming back to land here at the Cape.
MVAC ignition. Stage 1 boost back startup.
And there it is. Great shot of that booster coming off as it performs the boost back burn. Well, you can see it clear as day in the sun. That's the first of 3 burns as that booster gets ready to come back down. What a great shot. And there's the second stage, proceeding into space.
Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
Both vehicles are following nominal trajectories.
See the grid fins being deployed? That's helped steer the booster back down to Earth.
Acquisition of signal Bermuda.
So you can see the little exhaust there that is steering that booster back down. And that from inside the second stage. Still got a shot of that booster coming down. Now it's vertical. That's a great shot. And it is falling fast.
Both vehicles continue to follow nominal trajectories.
So SpaceX confirming that everything's looking good for both the booster that's falling back as well as the second stage, the spacecraft that are getting ready to enter orbit. It's hard to keep a track on that booster because it is falling fast. That's a great shot, though. All right. Well, we're going to toss it over to SpaceX and let them take it from here for the landing of the first.
Stage 1, entry transonic. Stage 1 landing burn started.
And you can hear the landing burn just started. There, you heard the call out. Watch for those landing legs deploy coming up shortly.
Stage 2 has entered terminal guidance.
Landing leg deploy.
There you can see those landing legs deploy. And touchdown of the Falcon 9 at our landing zone 1 in Cape Canaveral. You can hear me. Congratulations everyone here at SpaceX for another successful landing.